To get started with the Bitcoin.com wallet app, first download and install it from the App Store on your mobile device. Once installed, open the app and click on Create a new wallet. You will be prompted to read and agree to the terms of service. Then set a strong password to secure your wallet. Next, you will be given a seed phrase, which is a list of words used to recover your wallet in case you lose access. It is crucial to store this seed phrase in a safe and secure location, such as a fireproof safe or a secure note-taking app. After setting up your wallet, you can start sending and receiving Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. To receive cryptocurrency, click on the Receive tab and select the type of cryptocurrency you want to receive. You will be given a unique address to share with the sender. To send cryptocurrency, click on the Send tab and enter the recipient's address, the amount you want to send, and any additional fees. Always double-check the recipient's address to avoid sending cryptocurrency to the wrong person. The Bitcoin.com wallet app also allows you to buy and sell cryptocurrency using a credit or debit card. To do this, click on the Buy or Sell tab and follow the prompts to complete the transaction. It is essential to keep your wallet app and device updated with the latest security patches to protect your cryptocurrency from potential threats. Additionally, enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your wallet. In conclusion, using the Bitcoin.com wallet app is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge of cryptocurrency and security best practices. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can safely and securely store, send, and receive cryptocurrency using the Bitcoin.com wallet app.